Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Desi Ghee from cream. First, gather your fresh, heavy cream. You can collect cream over several days, storing it in an airtight container in your refrigerator. Before you begin, make sure the cream reaches room temperature. This simple preparation ensures a smoother process and better results for your homemade ghee. It's a rewarding culinary journey. Next, it's time to churn your cream into butter. You can use a stand mixer, a hand blender, or even a traditional churner. Begin churning on medium speed. Watch as the cream transforms, separating into solid butter and liquid buttermilk. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. The goal is to achieve a clear separation, leaving you with pure butter ready for the next step. After churning, carefully gather the butter into a ball, gently squeezing out any excess buttermilk. Now, it's crucial to wash the butter thoroughly. Rinse it under cold water, kneading it gently to extract any remaining buttermilk. Repeat this washing process 2 or 3 times until the water runs completely clear. This step is vital for achieving pure ghee with a long shelf life and authentic flavor. Finally, we clarify the butter into golden ghee. Melt the washed butter in a heavy-bottomed pot over low to medium heat. Let it simmer gently. You'll see milk solids separate and settle. Skim off any foam that rises to the top. Once the ghee is clear and golden, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve. Store your homemade Desi Ghee in an airtight container at room temperature for months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.